All right, so today we're going to be reviewing the Gamma Plus trimmers, and this is my first time trying out this brand. I did some research. It's a hybrid of Italy and United States, which is pretty unique. Concerning that the box didn't seem so secure and that it was wrapped in this plastic. Wasn't too thrilled about that, but hey, let's see if the quality is there. So we got a charging base. Okay, we want some different colors. Here's the actual clipper. Let's get a good look at this. This is different. So they're telling you how to zero gap to 3 millimeters or a gap of 3.3 millimeters, which is soft, which is my preference. Aggressive, it kind of bites. You need to use super light pressure, but it's the only way to get those crisp. How are these clippers? They didn't bite right here? They didn't feel uncomfortable?
No.
Perfect.